This session is all about the 2 times multiplication facts. Learning the multiplication facts and knowing them fluently will help with being able to solve calculations more easily. So, for this session, these are the things we are going to need. A dry white pen or a felt tip pen, a mug, a pencil and paper, or if you have a whiteboard you could use that, 10 2p coins, 100 square, which you can download from the school website, and 20 pebbles or other counters such as buttons or coins. So, we are going to start off using our 100 square. And to begin to learn our 2 times multiplication facts, our first step is to make sure we can count fluently in twos. So we're going to use the 100 square to help us with this, and we're going to highlight off the numbers in the 2 times table as we count them. Count along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, why don't you pause the video here and use your 100 square to highlight the numbers in the 2 times table. Welcome back. Now, to help us get even better at counting in twos, I'm going to count in twos and write the numbers as I say them on my piece of paper. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So why don't you pause the video now and write out the numbers yourself on a piece of paper, all the numbers in the 2 times table. Welcome back. Now, I've got all of the numbers in the 2 times table up to 20 on my piece of paper, but I've hidden one under one of my pebbles. Can you work out which one it is? Let's see if we can find out by counting in twos. 2, 4, 6 was our missing number. Let's try another one. Okay, I've hidden another number. Can you work out which one it is? Let's find out by counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 was our missing number. Okay, I've hidden another number. Which one is it? Let's work out by counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 was our missing number that time. Now, why don't you pause the video and use your numbers on your piece of paper to play this game with somebody at home by covering up one of the numbers. Welcome back. Now for our next activity we're going to need the mug and the 2p coins. Now what I'm going to do in just a moment is to drop some 2p coins into the mug, and what I want you to do is to work out how many coins are in the mug and how much they are worth altogether. So if I had 2 2p coins in the mug, then they would be worth 2 lots of 2. That's 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 add 2 is 4. If I had 3 2p coins in the mug, well that would be 2 add 2 add 2. 3 lots of 2, which would be 6p. Okay, are you ready to listen carefully? Here we go. Okay, how many coins do you think are in the mug and what are they worth? Okay, let's find out. There's one 2p coin, so that's worth 2p. There's another one, that's our second one, that's 4p. 3 2p coins, that's 6p. And our fourth one, so we've got 8p. 5 2p coins, so that's 10p altogether. 5 2p coins is worth 10p. 5 lots of 2 is 10. Let's play again. Okay, are you ready to listen carefully? Okay, how much is in the mug this time? Okay, we've got one 2p coin, so that's 2p. There's number 2, which is 4p in total. Our third coin, so now we're up to 6. 4 2p coins takes us to 8. And another one, 10. 6 lots of 2 is 12. 7 2s are 14. And 8 2p coins means we've got 16p altogether. 8 lots of 2 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Well done if you got that right. Now, why don't you pause the video here, use your mug and your coins to play this game with somebody at home. Take it in turns to drop the coins in the mug and take it in turns to guess how many coins and how much they are worth altogether. Welcome back. Now for this last activity we're going to need our pebbles or counters and a pencil and paper. Now I'm going to use my pebbles and arrange them into groups of 2. So here's my first group of 2 pebbles, and altogether I've got 2 pebbles there. If I add a second group of 2, I've now got a total of 4 pebbles. Here's my third group of 2. Now I've got 6 altogether. My fourth group of 2 totals 8. 5 lots of 2 makes 10. 6 lots of 2 is 12. 7 lots of 2, that totals 14. 8 groups of 2 makes 16. 9 lots of 2 is 18. And 10 lots of 2 makes 20 altogether. Now I could write these down as 2 times multiplication facts using my multiplication sign. So at the top there I had 2 pebbles. I've got 1 lot of 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then I had my second group, so I've got 2 lots of 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 lots of 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 lots of 2 makes 14. 8 lots of 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. And 10 times 2 is 20. Now, why don't you pause the video here, arrange your pebbles or your counters in groups of 2 and write down your 2 times multiplication fact to show how many pebbles you've got altogether. Lots of things come in groups of 2. So here we've got pairs of gloves, gloves in 2s. Altogether we have 3 pairs of gloves, and because they're in 2s we've got 3 lots of 2. 3 lots of 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Wheels on bicycles come in 2s. So in the picture here we have got 5 bikes, and each bike has got 2 wheels. So we've got 5 lots of 2. And altogether there are 10 wheels. 5 times 2 is 10. And lots of parts of our bodies come in 2s, like our hands, our feet, and our eyes. So here we have got 4 children. Each child has got 2 eyes. So altogether there are 4 lots of 2, 4 times 2, which is 8 i's. So today we have been learning our 2 times multiplication facts. To learn your times table facts and to be able to recall them quickly, you need to practice. Practice them in order and out of order until you know them forwards, backwards and inside out. You will then be able to use them to help you solve calculations more easily.